Here's a short video showing a problem I had with my Bose Aviation X headset, which may help other people out. So yesterday when I tried to use my headset, normally press the power button and the LED flashes and the headset noise cancellation works. This didn't work, so I assumed it was the batteries, so I replaced the batteries. That didn't fix it. So I experimented a bit further and I found that if I powered it up with the battery cover open but with the batteries in, it seemed to work, but as soon as I closed the battery cover it stopped working. So I spent some time having a look at this today because it was very irritating. So I've taken the battery box apart. So there's like a spring clip you have to carefully unwind out of a groove at this end, and then if you open up the battery cover there are two hidden screws, one down by the CE label and one up by the battery symbols on this side. You need a small posi-drive screwdriver to undo those, or a Phillips screwdriver. And then what I found is there are two battery contacts, one for the positive, and up at the other end there's the spring for the negative. And what had happened is the positive terminal at this end had slid down inside the case, so instead of it being all the way up like this, you can see that the shiny metal part is pushed right up to the top of the curved plastic part. It had slid down, and I guess this is a result of changing the batteries. It must have pushed against it each time a new battery was put in. So consequently this wasn't making full contact with the positive terminal on the battery. So if you have similar symptoms, then what you need to do is to undo the battery box and then push this terminal back to its normal position. And I think what I'm going to do, because I can't see any latching mechanism in here to hold it in place, I'm just going to put a small amount of hot melt glue just to keep it in place, because I don't think there's a lot of force on it, but over the years of changing batteries it's obviously worked its way down, and then that should fix it. So hopefully if you have similar symptoms, this may fix your problem as well. Thanks so much.